I'm so happy with that one.
I did it! I did it! I may not need this for my master set. I'm not sure. I have to look. Whoa. You just got the top hit in 151. Oh my god, I still have one more. She just... It's a Gengar. She just... Do you have any idea what you just pulled? No.
Oh my god, bro. You're kidding me! Okay. Damn, relax. What are the odds? Just saying, what are the odds that I talk about a god pack and literally the next pack? Okay, well, I'm gonna shut the up now. We just pulled a freaking god pack. Oh my god. There's no way. Oh my goodness. We got the Mewtwo and the damn Pikachu SA.